Hey guys, Tony here in the shower, making a quick video on PLTR just because I've seen a bunch of YouTubers basically say that it's a good time to buy and all that stuff. Yeah, I don't think so. I think PLTR is going to sell off. I think PLTR is going to sell off heavy, actually. Just kind of judging from the last time we had, essentially a weekly perfect sell-off. What happened? February 8th, perfect sell-off. We went down to lows of $20.38. From highs of around 40 bucks. Essentially, I think the same thing's going to happen. I think we're going to have more of a percentage drop than an actual point drop, because guess what? If we actually drop 18 points, we're going down, or $18, we're going down to like $9, which is back to IPO price. I don't think PLTR is going to go that low. I think it would be absolutely insanely crazy if it actually went that low. But I do have a pretty good, I have a, I don't want to say feeling, but at least TA shows that, if we start closing, if we keep creating these these bearish candles on the reverse MACD, I think that we're going back down to, possibly $14. I think that's definitely going to be, that would definitely be a price target for me for like the next maybe 3 months or so. If we don't hit somewhere on the higher range of maybe, back down to like $18, $16, I do think there's a strong chance that we go back down to like $13.82, closer to 14 bucks. I think at minimum we are going to be dropping back down to $18 and like 15 cents. Super bearish play or super bearish sentiment would be all the way down to essentially like $14 in the course of the next 2 months, 3 months or so, which I do think is possible. I know last time I was bearish on PLTR, everybody was saying, oh, it's never going to hit $18, you're wrong. But and guess what? It hit $18, under $18 back in May or so. So I mean, I don't know what to tell you guys, right? Again, I'm still bearish on PLTR. As soon as we have confirmation on the reverse MACD that it's basically time to go short, I will be buying puts. Again, there is no confirmation, but I do think that the trajectory is going to be down soon. I do think that we are creating tops on PLTR at these $27 levels. We might run maybe to $28, $29, but I do think ultimately we're going to be going back to around anywhere from $18 to $14. I think I can definitely see PLTR going to 18 or 14 bucks in like the next 3 months or so. I would not be surprised to see PLTR back at these $18 to $14 prices. So I'll see you guys later.